All right, so I'm going to continue going over the stars from 2015 to 2019. I did go over this question in the 2019 videos, but I'm going to go ahead and go over it again because it's dealing with this specific teak. So we're looking at Tek A.2H. This teak covers linear inequalities with two variables, given a table values, a graph, or a verbal description. In this specific question, question number 15 from 2019, we're looking at a verbal description. Okay, so a grill bar at a barbecue restaurant used to work to cook sausages links that are 2 pounds each and briskets that are 6 pounds each. So I'm going to highlight my number values, the number values that I'm given. It says no more than 120 pounds, so I'm going to highlight that of sausage links and briskets will be cooked at grill. Now we know no more, that means that our value is going to be less than or equal to 120. 120 is going to be our max. This is our max value. All right, then it says, which inequality represents all of the possible numbers of x, the number of sausage links. So sausage links, this is going to be x, so 2 pounds, that are cooked on the grill, and y, the number of briskets, so 6 is going to be y, that will also be cooked. So think about this. So we've got 2 pounds of sausage links, sausage links. So 2 pounds, we're just going to put 2 pounds of x, plus 6 pounds of y, and that together, the combination of that has to be less than or equal to 120. Okay, so let's look at our answer choices and see if we can eliminate some. The symbols for the inequality symbols for A is less than, doesn't have the bar underneath, so A is out. Same with C. Then looking at our inequality symbols, well, B is going to be eliminated, or D is going to be eliminated because it says greater than. Greater than means that whatever this value is going to be larger than 120. Less than, left hand, so see the left hand, this is my left hand. This little V here, this kind of looks like an L. I can make it look like an L for less than, and then turn it a little bit, and that looks like the symbol going to your left. So left hand, less than, that means smaller, okay? So that gives us our answer choice B. That's really quick, straightforward, and simple. All right, next question, same teak. So we're going to go ahead and continue this question. If you notice, the setup and the answer choices are very similar to the 2019. That's the clue. All of these questions are very similar to each other. A student is ordering a flower arrangement. She chooses any combination of roses and carnations for her flowers, and she does not want to spend any more than, oops, I didn't mean to mark that out. I meant to highlight it. $30. So no more than $30. So again, we're going less than or equal to $30. So I can eliminate some of my answer choices again. Oh, look, I can eliminate A and C. Now, don't rely on that. Do not rely on that. It just happened to both be that the answer that we're eliminating is A and C on this one. All right, now, if roses cost $3 each and carnations cost $2 each, which inequality combination of roses? So this is 3x, carnations is y, so 2y, and it has to be less than or equal to 30. That's going to give me my answer choice B. Again, it just happened to be B on both of these. Do not rely on that being your answer, so that if you see that on the star, don't think, oh, my answer is B. Okay, check it, make sure you're doing it right. Okay, now, next question. Let's see if we're in the same teak. 2H, 2H. Yep, we're in the same teak. We're a little bit different here. This is from 2016, but we're still looking at inequalities. Okay, so baseball fans can buy tickets for seats in the lower deck or upper deck of the stadium. Tickets for the lower deck cost $42. And then tickets for the upper deck is 75% of the cost of the lower deck. So we got a little extra thing going on here. So we're going to have to do some thinking here. So tickets for the lower deck cost $42 each. Tickets for the upper deck are 75% of the cost of the lower deck. So think about this. We've got upper deck, which is going to be 75%. So that's going to be 0.75 times the cost of the upper deck, which is $42. Okay, so 75.75 times 42 is going to give me 31.5. Okay, so that's going to, and then we want to know, and then we've got lower deck, which is $42, okay? Then it says, which inequality represents all of the combinations of x for the lower deck? So this is 42x, and then y, the number of tickets for the upper deck, so that's y. That can be no more, again, we're going with the maximum, so less than or equal to 800. So looking at this, I can eliminate C and D. So look here, our answer choices are a little bit different here. Now, both A and B have a less than or equal to symbol. So again, as I said before, don't rely that your answer is going to be B. Okay, we have to actually answer this. Now, I can answer this further real quickly by realizing, okay, when I made my calculations for the upper deck, it was 75% of the cost of the lower deck, which gave me 31.5. So that matches there, 31.5 and 31.5 for what I calculated. So B is my answer choice, okay? Now, A would be the answer choice if you didn't notice that 75%, okay? Or A would also be the answer choice, I think, if you multiplied, let me see, 0.75 times 42. No, wait. 75, 42 divided by 0.75. Yes. So for this would have been if you took 42 and you divided by 0.75, you don't want to divide by it, you want to multiply. Okay. All right, we are in a new TEK for this one, so I'm going to cover this video, TEK question on the next video. I will see you next time. Have a good day.